Yeah. Watch this. He says I can catch this thing. Watch this. Y'all ever seen anything?
The Incredible Dr. Pole. New episode tonight at 9 on Nat Geo Wild.
He says, huh? How do I stop it? Oh my God.
These were in Phil Coulson's jacket.
Look at him.
Guess he never did get you to sign them. We're dead in the air up here. Our communications, location of the cube, banner, door.
He wanting more. You want back up there? Look at him. Look at him. He says, hey. They put me back.
Okay.
Watch it. Watch this. You gonna climb? He wants back up there.
I never put all my chips on that
Watch
number,
him.
though, because I was playing something even riskier.
Can't reach it.
There was an idea. Stark knows this.
He's swatting at it.
Avengers Initiative. The idea was to
Oh,
bring
crazy.
together
Patches, you can't
remarkable
catch
people,
the fan.
see if they could become something more.
He's trying to get it.
See if they could work together when we needed them to fight the battles that.
Have you ever? Don't you jump.
Phil Coulson died still believing in that idea.